UK, Sunday, November 24, 2024.
What a twat. Take a photo of his number plate. What a twat.
Hello.
Flooding due to overflowing of the River Teme caused the breach of the embankment at Kyre Brook, Tenbury Wells, resulting in extensive flooding in Market Street on Sunday, November 24, 2024. Widely circulated on social media, the huge amount of water flowing through the town, with firefighters in attendance. It is not yet known for certain how much damage has been suffered by local residents, as the authorities are still collecting data.
Yeah, it is, Dave.
I knew he was going to go. You could tell the way the water was coming over the top.
I mean, it went quick.
Let's get out the way, love.
Do you know who it was? Because he's just...
Loads of damage. All the shops at the high street. Oh!